Put it in between me and Christine and like zoom in on him.
Zoom in all the way. Christine, stand closer to Doug.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay. Why is he laying down? Tell him to get up.
There he is.
Fucking jump.
There we go. No, he's sitting. He needs to stand.
Look.
What the hell is he doing? Wait.
Can I go jump with him? No, I don't want to jump with him.
You wanna go?
Just go jump.
Don't want to jump with Jason.
Guys. Just look at this lonely video.
He sees you.
He doesn't know.
Oh, now he's done.
Did he just yell at me?
Yeah.